I'm feeling something, but I don't think it's excitement.
If you think I'm lying.
Wish I could, but I gotta get going.
Going?
Phew, what a day.
Oh, great, you're home. Now you can help me with the baby.
Oh, gee, SpongeBob, I'd love to, but...
Oh, Patrick.
Another tough day.
Oh, Patrick, I'm so glad you're home after working all day. I can't wait for my break.
I might know the problem.
Okay, buddy. It's time.